We are from Agrivis team. We would like to present our solution that we titled Plant Pest Detection System for Agriculture Commodities. First of all, I want to introduce myself and my team. My name is Jefry Pratama. We are from local developer based on Jogja, and this is my teammate.
Anggit Arswendi.
And my other teammate in Jogja, his name is Anto. He is focusing for the developing the solution, especially for the technology part. For the background for these solutions, because we are based on Jogja, we have plenty collaboration with local universities. For example, we have partnership with UGM Gajah Mada for developing such of the solution for this. And as you know, the Jogja and Central Java is one of the most agricultural province, and they have many farmers and they have many problems that facing their provinces, facing the farmers itself. So couple months ago, we approached by local universities, our partners, and they asked us to build a solution about the problems of the agricultures. We named it a Plant Pest Detection System for Agriculture Commodities. As you know, based this presentation, human consumption for the food, we can get percentage that these 5 of commodities consists of 49% of total monthly consumption of the household. So we choose 5 these commodities so that we try to collect the data set of these commodities, and we try to collect also the pests and pests for this data set, and we input them in the system so that the data can be the system can be learned and teach by this data. Okay, next. This is the main problems of agriculture in a global sense. Many farmers have a problems in when they plant agricultural commodities. The need of the agricultural commodities in Indonesia is very enormous. It's very big. But plant disease make farmers unable to maximum get productions. A result due to the plant disease can destroy the production process, because when the farmer try to plant in their field, they found that many disease is attacking their field. So, but because of the production process like that, it decreasing the productivity and quality of the plant, and if it is exposed to the plant disease. And the other side, farmers lack of knowledge and to identify plant disease quickly, and lack of urban farming, because many farmers in Jogja and Central Java is uneducated about the agricultures. They didn't know what plant that attacking their field, so it become a major part to decrease the productivity of the field. So there was an error. Because of that, it will reduce the productivity of the farmers. According to the e-paper Media Indonesia on Friday, 11 December 2020, disease in plant can cause Indonesian farmers to lose up to trillion of rupiahs and reduce productivity levels by up to 70%. It's really major problems in Indonesia, because farmers didn't know how to cure the disease, and they didn't know what kind of disease that attacking their field. So the productivity is losing up until 50%, 70%, sorry. So according to the because of the problems, and we also find out, and we built the solution that targeted this kind of target. We target farmers or industry with main commodity crops, and we found that there are 24 million hectares active agriculture land in Indonesia, and main commodity consists of 72.9%, and others is 27.1%. This is our solutions. We develop what we call it Agrivis.
Agrivis.
It's artificial intelligence technology that can be analyzed and detect plant disease based on image processing. And the next slide will be presented by my colleague.
Okay, so why should we use the Agrivis? Because one of our solutions, we have our main of the focus that we would like to helping farmer detect the pest of their plantation is very quickly. That's the first domain. And the second is we want to help the farmers to can detect the disease of the plantations that the disease is very similar. So we can make the farmers more better make a decision of what's the fertilization that to use. And the last is we want to make the farmer is very supporting their food security. So how does Agrivis works? Just simple. With our application, the Agrivis, we just the farmer just capture the picture of the plant diseases, and with their smartphone, and after they capture the plant of diseases, with the data will be sent to our system with deep learning model with OpenVINO, if we use the OpenVINO, and then after our deep learning is processing, they will send back the data to the application, and yes, the plant diseases analytics will be detected. So what the business model of Agrivis? And the number one, we provide the business model to e-commerce and agriculture-based startup with open API system with our applications. So we can collaborate our solution system with their platform to make something partnership about the commercializations, and they can make the advertise in our application.
The better part is when we have a recommendation system to the farmers, we can engage with the suppliers of fertilizers,
Yes.
pest manufacturer, etc., and they will sell the product to us with our application, and we have a margin across that.
And for the companies and the sector and the academies, such as like in the campus, agriculture and another, we provide our application for the research. So the research about the plant diseases and anything, and then for the supplier and fertilizer of the plant diseases, they can use our application for ads, something like e-commerce. They can advertise their products to our applications. So that also.
For the companies engaged with agriculture sectors in academics, as we know, Indonesia is agriculture's countries. And there are hundreds of college in agricultures. They have capturing all the data across nation about commodities, pests, and many other research in agriculture. So we develop the technology. Also, we provide the collaboration with academic institutions. Also, we collaborate with farmers that will be our end users. And also, we collaborate with manufacturers and private sectors about agriculture, so that we have collaboration with this guy and have a very good business model. For this slide, we also want to remind you guys that agriculture and food security is the important parts of problems in Indonesia. plant disease problems are very urgent to overcome. Why? Number one, plant disease must be treated as soon as possible to prevent crop failures. As you know, the numbers of farmers across Indonesia is nearly, I believe it's 30 million farmers. And according to the statistic, 30 million farmers is elder age. This guy is very seniors and they uneducated. Because of the plant disease and they didn't know how to cure that, become the problems, and the production dropped because they didn't know how to cure that. Number two, plant diseases sometimes have similar characteristics, making the farmers difficult to distinguish and lead them to incorrect diagnosis and treatment. Maybe the senior farmers also know about the pest because of the experiencing, but the disease and the pest is also adapting. They have like a virus, yeah. They have many changes all across that. So they didn't. The senior farmers then didn't have any updated knowledge about it. So I think with this software we can also educate these farmers. Number three, deep learning model with OpenVINO technology can detect plant disease faster with higher degree of accuracy. We believe that using this solution, we can help these senior farmers to overcome these problems. And also, as you know, the President Jokowi also stated that FAO warned that COVID-19 pandemic could lead to the food crisis. I asked region, government, and major to pay attention to the food availability in their respective region. This is the statement of the Jokowi. He, as a president, is very worried about the food security during pandemic, and we believe that with this application, we also can help the farmers increase their productivity and help the nation to produce more crops. Next is our team. We want to demo our solutions. The demo will be presented by my teammate Anto.
My name is Anto. I'm from the development team of Agrivis, and here I will present the system of Agrivis plant disease detection. There are two major layers of this Agrivis system. The first layer of the system is application layer in here. In this application layer, the user can get the plant photo by using smartphone camera. And then in the application layer also, the predicted disease and the treatment will be displayed. And then the second layer is the cloud computational layer, which consists of backend and OpenAPI system and the deep learning model with OpenVINO. This backend and OpenAPI function, this backend and OpenAPI is function for receiving the image from application layer and send it to the deep learning model. And then after the model gives the result, it will send to the application layer. This AI model already trained using 6 commodities data, and every commodities has 4 until 6 disease type. And then this is the mockup of the Agrivis application layer. In this collection displays, here we can see all the capture that we already upload. And then to take the picture, we can press the camera button here. And then click the take photo button and take the photo. And then the system will process the photo to identify the type of the plant disease. More, and then here's the description of the plant disease, and then we can also get the treatment recommendation for the disease. Okay, thank you. This is the demo.
So thank you very much. This is the end of our presentation. We hope that this solution can be benefited for Indonesian agriculture industry, and we would like to collaborate with many farmers, many institutions of the agricultures across Indonesia to leverage the solution. Thank you very much.